Sending money from Chime to Chase is very easy. Today I'm gonna show you how to do it. First of all, log in to your Chime account. Open the Chime app or go to the Chime website and log into your account securely. Then navigate to Move Money. Locate the Move Money option or tab, typically found at the bottom of the app or on the top menu bar of the website. After that, select Transfers. Choose Transfers from the available options to initiate a transfer to an external account. So, add Chase bank account. Follow the prompts to add your Chase bank account as an external recipient. You will need to enter the routing number and account number for your Chase checking or savings account. Now, verify Chase bank account. Chime may require you to verify your Chase bank account details to ensure the accuracy of the information. This may involve providing a confirmation code or link sent to your Chase account. And then enter transfer amount. Specify the amount you want to transfer from your Chime account to your Chase account. Now, ensure you have enough funds to cover the transfer amount and any applicable fees. So schedule transfer date. Select the date when you want the transfer to be processed. Standard transfers typically take 1 to 2 business days, while expedited transfers may incur a fee for faster processing. Then review and confirm. Carefully review the transfer details, including the recipient account information, transfer amount, and scheduled date. Once you're satisfied, confirm the transaction to initiate the transfer.